Shenzhen VTEX Electronics Co., Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in R&D, development, and production for consumer electronics. Our main products include Android and Windows-based terminal devices, like tablet PC, notebook PC, laptops, LCD monitor, gaming keyboard, gaming mouse, gaming headset, gaming computer case, gaming accessory, as well as other smart devices. We focus on OEM, ODM service, specialize in the engineering project and educational tender projects. Our factory has passed ISO 9001, ISO 2001, BSCI factory audits. Our engineers are over 8 years of working experience, and sales teams are all with a deep engineering background. Our products are qualified with all kinds of certificates, including CE, FCC, ROCH, etc. Our monthly production capacity can reach over 300 kPCS tablet PC, 150 kPCS laptops with over 15 assembly lines. So far, we have completed more than 300 ODM projects and engineering projects in over 100 countries and regions. We enjoy a good reputation worldwide. Located in Shenzhen, China, with convenient transportation access, we offer a convenient delivery solution to our customers. Each product will go through at least 4 times inspections before shipping. We are dedicated to improving the quality of our products continuously, ensuring the best quality, and providing on-time delivery. We provide a good combination of excellent service, high standard quality, and factory price products to our customers. Our cooperative customers are all over the world. Our sales team works online 20 hours per day to support our customers speaking English, Spanish and Russian, etc., providing excellent service and products to ensure our customer satisfaction is our final commitment. You can contact us to discuss your sourcing requirement, providing excellent service and products to ensure our customer satisfaction is our final commitment. You are warmly welcome to contact us now.